Hi, I'm Dolores Sanders. I'm the Strategic Director of TotalControlPro, and we're here today showcasing both, on one side, our Activate product was a very simple track and trace product to help bridge the gap between where people are right now and the real promise of Industry 4. On the other side, we have our dynamic planning and inventory and scheduling management, which is driven from real-time data. So the key thing for us is, right now, Industry 4's promise of improving the lifestyle, the standard of life for everyone through better use of resources, better productivity, better effective delivery of what we do, is a little bit being mismanaged or not being delivered by manufacturers. So the promise of Industry 4 is an improved way of life for everybody. Better way of working, better use of resources, better systems, just really collaboration between multiple elements to bring everything together. And I think sometimes in manufacturing right now, we're missing that point. We're missing the connectivity between people, between our machines, between what we're making and how we're making it. And we are being a little bit let down by the technology or the software systems that are in place to support that. We don't have all the answers at TotalControlPro. We're starting to bring some elements of that together, some people, product and process. We talk a lot about affordability, accessibility, having things easy to adopt, using the kind of plug and play technology that in our consumer industry is already used. You know, people know when you order a pizza, you can track where that pizza is and when it's going to arrive at your door. Inside of our manufacturing lines, we're still looking at it as a surprise that our customers want to know, where is our product being made, how is it being made, what's being done and where is it right now. That's what people want to know, and we're not providing that yet. But we can do, it's available, and we're looking forward to being at the Industry 4 show in April to really show just where the next generation of products are getting to be.